Are you ready?
Maybe.
You're not even straight in the chair.
That's because if I do that, then I'm gonna be like, hey, how you doing? There we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be doing a Claire's makeup tutorial. It's gonna be so fun and lit, yes. If you want to see all of the products that I have, I'm going to put them down in the description box and you can click on them and look at them and they're so awesome. And guess what? I had an awesome deal on these. I got to get them for the buy 3 get 3 free deal. So basically, you could get 3 makeup palettes and you could get 3 pairs of lip gloss. I don't know. Or you could get 2 makeup palettes, 2 lip glosses, and 2 whatever, I don't know. But that's a really good deal because you get 3 makeup items and then you get 3 other ones free. How better can that get? Okay, so down below in the description, you click on it, you look at it. If you want it, then buy it, okay? But ask your parents first because we don't want to go buying anything without their permission. Ooh, that would not be nice, okay? Woo. But you can have all the fun you want by looking at them and clicking on them. Just don't buy them yet. Ask your parents first, okay? Let's get started. So first what I've got, and no, I'm not going to be using all of these lip glosses. That'd be kind of weird. But I've got all of these lip glosses, including long ones, yes. I've also got some Beauteous makeup palettes, which are backwards. Cool, yeah. Making this too difficult, I am. Okay. And now I have this super cute pouch to put all of this stuff in. How awesome is this? Oh my gosh, it's too awesome. Last thing, this did not come from Claire's, but I'm going to use this Burt's Bees chapstick because you know the outside of your mouth gets a little bit dry sometimes after you put on lip gloss, and then it's like your lip gloss is popping, but then the outside is dry. That just doesn't look right, okay? So I'm going to be using this to put on the outside so that does not happen, okay? So first I'm going to start off by taking my Burt's Bees here, and I'm going to put it around the outside so that it can marinate the crustaciousness while I'm doing the rest of my face, okay? Gotta hear that click though. So now I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm going to be using this palette first, and I'm going to be using the pink color towards the bottom of my lid. Okay, so I am not a professional at this, so don't expect anything that looks awesome. Probably going to get a mess all over the place, as I usually do, of which I do not feel like cleaning up. So first I'm going to start off by the bottom. Whoa, that looks cool. Okay. So first I'm going to start off by the bottom and work my way up. Oh, this is so cool. I see my mother doing this every day in the bathroom before she goes to work, and I'm so confused. I'm like, how does she do this? I'm also confused as how she does it every single day without poking her eyeball out. That looks right. Look, I'm already dropping stuff. So next, I'm going to be doing this palette. And I'm going to be using the sparkly kind of color in there. There are lots of sparkly colors in here. I'm going to be using this one. And this one, I'm going to use it right above the pink color I used. I'm trying here. I'm trying. That looks right. Whoa, that looks so cool. How am I doing this? I'm confused. Okay, I have not done this before, as I've said previously, so I'm trying, believe it or not, I'm trying very hard to not poke out my eyelid. That looks nice. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and add a little bit more of that pinkness because I put a lot of that dark color. Almost looks like I got a black eye now. Now moving going on to the other eye, and I'm doing the same exact pattern of which I did before. Light pink on the bottom. I like pink. If you haven't noticed, you obviously have. But I do like pink. And now I'm going to put that dark color on top of this. I'm surprisingly good at this. By good, I mean not poking out my eyeball. Okay, now I'm going to do the same exact thing over here. I don't know how my mother makes all the colors blend together so well. It's like you could never tell that they were two different colors. Also, you know what's funny? My mother always makes interesting faces when she's doing her makeup. She do all sorts of... Especially when she's putting on the blush though, she'd be like this. Sometimes I thought that she was just making weird faces just to make them. But then when I asked her what she was doing, she said that she was putting on her makeup. While you're doing it, it's not that pretty. But the end result is always nice. Okay. Now I think I'm done with the eyes. What do you think? Comment down below if it looks good so far of what you can see. Because I can't see anything right now, but that's nice. Comment down below if you tried doing your own makeup and if it turned out better than mine. You didn't make a mess everywhere. While my lips were marinating, yay, completion. Okay, now I'm going to put on one of these lip glosses. Or I could mix them, I don't know. I'm very adventurous with my lip gloss choices. This one, since this looks similar to the color up here. Yeah. Ooh, that's supposed to look like that, right? Yeah. Oh, that's shiny. Shining, 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 yeah. That looks right. That was not sarcasm. It does look okay. I'm surprised I didn't make a mess all over my face. Yay! Ow. Ow. Okay. That's what I get for trying to make all those interesting faces. Now I see why she makes those faces. You gotta get to them angles though. Yes. Hey, how you doing? You don't look terrible. Well, thank you. I know I don't. Don't look so bad yourself. Why, thank you. Have a nice day now. Okay. Make sure you don't step on any Legos lately. What am I doing? I'm gonna use this blush. Da-na-na-na. I know this is a Claire's makeup tutorial, but pretend like you never saw this, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna use this blush brush. It rhymes. I'm awesome. JK, you're awesome. We're both awesome. Everything is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So I'm gonna try and put this on. Oh, this is why she makes a fish face. Yeah. I think it's to find where you're supposed to put the blush. But I don't see how that works because I mean, I can just put it there without making the fish face. So. Or maybe I'm putting it in the wrong spot. I don't know. Okay, yay, I'm blushing. No, I'm not. It's the makeup. So now I am done. That wasn't difficult at all. I have a lot of sarcasm. Okay, comment down below how this turned out for you if you did it as well or just enjoyed me trying to mess up myself here. Okay. Comment down below how you liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I had fun. Okay? I had no idea what I was doing, but I didn't poke out my eyeball. Okay? Ooh, headband. Put this headband on top. Come on, buns. Don't be difficult. Yay! Doesn't it look nice? Yes. First time doing makeup. Okay. Let me know in the comments down below if you bought any of this Claire's makeup and tried it out yourself, or just use any of your regular makeup. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other Claire's videos, okay? Okay. Also, let me know if you want to see any more of these, because I do need some practice, okay? Bye!